safe for work NSW. This has lots of swear words, like no sexual shit, crap in it. What? Just turned 69 years old. You flip a clip, bitch.
I didn't know how to use this. What age did you put in this?
I think 100. I don't know what the hell.
100. I just
The Ge0zard show. Shit. What are you doing? I am just trying to help you.
So I'm just going to put
Answer me now.
14.
Or I'll terminate you. And comment about me things. And make you in a cringe compilation, which will never happen. No. You're gonna die. No. Jesus Christ. Get out. No. I will never. Jesus Christ. I'm gonna call the YouTube police. You can't call the YouTube police. God. What? I'm God. Dislike this video. Oh my god, my voice! My voice cracked. It does not kill you. I'm gonna move away. But I'm gonna send you to Canada. No, somewhere where it doesn't have YouTube or Google Plus on it. What should it be? Get off of my door. Just the park, you asshole. Bye. Unsub now. No. First and last episode of the Ge0zard show. Comment if you want more episodes.